It's like you have blue skies on the right, and then all of a sudden...
Oh my god, dude. That's about to eat us. We're gonna hit a wall here in a second. It's dead, like, black over there. Oh shit, here we go.
And your windows down. Oh, isn't that just nice?
Hold up, we got a better idea here. Move to like highway cigarette smoking mode.
It's pitch black.
Oh my god.
It's like we're about to get like a tornado. It's just, that's all I think of.
Oh my god, that'd be horrible. Check the, do you have like a weather app?
Yeah.
Like the weather channel?
Severe sandstorms coming along right now.
Oh my god.
I think a few birds are gonna die today.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Can't feel anything too bad.
Look over here, dude. Oh my god. That's if you
We are
you
right at the
video, right?
Oh yeah, no, I've got the video going right now.
Holy shit, it's dark now. There it is. Get the sky, get the sky. Holy shit.
There's nothing here anymore. Oh, it's getting dark.
Oh my god.
We're in the sand. You're gonna have to turn your lights on. There's nothing there. It just got dark all